In 1774, the British Parliament passed a series of laws known as the Intolerable Acts, aimed at punishing the Massachusetts colonists for their defiance in the Boston Tea Party. These harsh measures were a decisive catalyst that pushed the American colonies toward outright rebellion and the Revolutionary War. The key provisions of the Intolerable Acts included the Boston Port Act, which closed the city's harbor until damages from the Tea Party were paid; the Massachusetts Government Act, which revoked the colony's charter and increased royal control; the Administration of Justice Act, allowing trials of royal officials to be held elsewhere; the Quartering Act, requiring colonists to provide housing for British troops; the Quebec Act, expanding French Catholic Quebec's borders into the Ohio Valley. Viewed as a violent and despotic violation of colonial rights, the Intolerable Acts outraged American patriots. They sparked protests, calls for conventions, and the formation of local militias to resist the British. The acts effectively united the colonies against the Crown and made reconciliation all but impossible. In response, the First Continental Congress was convened, issuing declarations that laid the groundwork for independence. Rather than subduing the colonists, Britain's harsh punitive measures backfired, igniting the revolutionary movement that ultimately led to the outbreak of the American Revolutionary War in 1775.